Okay, I'm going to show you how to do this easy recipe. We're going to use this Nellie's and Joe famous Key West lime juice to make a key lime pie. Now, the recipe is on here on the back, and it's a very simple recipe. So if you can't find it with the juices, the regular juices, you may have to go to the mixed drink section in the grocery store to find this. So some places have it in with the regular juices and stuff, and some places in some grocery stores they have it in the mixed drink where the wines and things are, stuff like that. So we have that, and then it asks for 14-ounce can of sweetened condensed milk, 3 egg yolks, a half a cup of this Key West lime juice. I like to put in some lime zest, and so I have 1 lime that I've zested, and this is the result of that. Okay, and then I have 1 graham cracker pie shell, and I got this from Walmart, and this is what it looks like. So when you go to buy it, this is what you're going to see. This is actually in the inside of that. You unfold the sides and you pull that out. Okay, so first thing we're going to do is we're going to get a measuring cup so we can measure a half cup of this Nellie's and Joe Key West lime juice. All right, we're going to grab us a bowl here and a whisk. We're going to take a half cup, because you only need a half cup for 1 pie, of the juice, and you're going to place it into your bowl. Easy, right? Okay. Next, we're going to take our sweetened condensed milk. Gonna pop that open. And we're going to add our sweetened condensed milk to our bowl. Okay, and then we're going to give that a whisk. I already set my oven to 350 degrees. So the oven is already preheated. Okay, then you want to get your eggs all mixed together, softened and broken up. Okay. And I know the can says to add the eggs in first, but if you add the eggs with the lime juice, the eggs will start to curdle. They will actually start to cook a little bit. So you want to put your eggs in last. And your lime zest. Okay, give that a whisk. We're going to take this, right, and we're going to pour this into our graham cracker shell. And as you can see, it doesn't quite fill it up, so that's not a problem because we're going to add some topping to it. So that is not a problem. Okay, so we want to make sure this is even and leveled in there. And then we're going to bake this in a 350 degree oven for just 15 minutes. This is so easy, guys. So I'm going to pop this in the oven, let it bake for 15 minutes, then I'll pull it out and let you see what it looks like. And we'll make our topping as well. So my pie is out of the oven. I'm going to let it cool completely before I put my topping on. So we're going to make our topping for our key lime pie. So we're going to take some heavy whipping cream, and we're going to add it to our bowl. And we got our whisk attachment on here. And we're gonna start slowly. And as it's whisking, we're gonna be adding like powdered sugar to it and a little bit of vanilla extract. And then 1 tablespoon of powdered sugar. I'm gonna add in about 3. Or half a teaspoon of vanilla extract. And this is one of those things that you can't walk away from, because you walk away from it, you might have butter. So once you turn up the speed, you have to stay here and make sure you watch it. Okay, I'm gonna put the lid on to keep it from splattering so much. Okay, now that I have my lid on, I'm gonna turn this baby up as high as it could go. And I'm gonna let this go for about a minute, not too longer than that, until my peaks form in my heavy cream. But you want to stay here and watch this because it will turn into butter, like I said earlier. So make sure you're keeping an eye on your mixture as this process is going along. We're going to add our whipped topping to our pie. As you can see, I've already started adding some there. I'm just adding some dollops of whipped cream. But you can certainly decorate this the way you want to decorate it. After all, it is your pie. And I want to give a shout out to Michael Rapier. He was the one who taught me this recipe when I worked for his catering company back in Virginia. So I wanted to give a shout out to him. He was a good supervisor, good boss. And then once you get all this on here, you're just gonna pop it in the refrigerator and let it chill until you're ready to serve it. I'm going to add a couple of lime slices that I have. I'm going to add that to the pie. Easy key lime pie. You can't get no better than that. The lid that came with the pie, you pop this off, give this a wash, and then pop that on top of your pie. Store your pie in the refrigerator until you're ready to serve it. Thank you so much for watching my video. I'll see you on the next one if the Lord say the same and the creek don't rise. Bye. Wait, don't forget to subscribe. Bye.